Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, so we have CH3, CH2, CHNH3, 2. So the bond line structure in skeletal form is going to be CH3, and then connected to a CH, okay, and then branching off of that central carbon is going to be a CH2 on one side, and then two NH3s on the other. Right, so you're going to end up with my CH3 on the end, CH2, CH, and that final CH is going to have two NH3s sticking off of the end. Like so. Now, there is a problem with the formula as written, right? Usually you wouldn't put parentheses around this CH2 without some sort of subscript that might say 2 or 3, because this nomenclature, when you have a subscript around something like this, is implying like a repeated chain, like CH3, for example. If I put a 3 down here, that would be like I have my CH3, and then I have one CH2, another CH2, another CH2, then my CH with my two NH3s. Right. So the number put here indicates how many of these come in a row. The problem is you wouldn't put parentheses around it if there's only one in a row. That doesn't make sense. So there's likely a typo here. The other problem is with the NH3. Okay. NH3 in parentheses surrounded, followed by a 2 indicates that this final carbon has two NH3 groups sticking off of it. Well, if you have nitrogen with 3 bonds to hydrogen and 1 bond to carbon, it's positively charged. This is probably supposed to say NH2 and not NH3, because otherwise it'd have to indicate that this is not a neutral structure, that there's positive charge on both those nitrogens. So there's been some kind of mix-up, which is probably making this problem harder than it seems. But as written, this is exactly what it should be. This is your CH3. This is your CH2. This is your CH. And these are the two branching NH3s.